Hakano phaisngi arpo phra tarik naitung 8,000 riu kawe ke Samla pule law 9 semester. Kabadang le ya ke internship kala keno obakala sha jrongkti ha away u senior lawyer jongka obakerteng Hazarika hakapor balik banle ya ke internship jongka hapo ka chamber jong u kabadon hakiting road. Kumta nakalyang kani ka Samla puli law hakatei hi kajan miet kalalit ban Ujor da ka ijahar persya ya utei u lawyer ha Sardar police station hakajing senranang ki dekhot ka Neutrap National Youth Front East Khasi Hills. Habakran shikilat pathai Khubor kani ka Samla ka ya tho ba utei u lawyer uba kalit le ek internship ula khot ya ka shakawe pat ka kamra ban shim art liki kon bat hakata ka por kalalit rengkat bat u ban shim ya kita ki kon. Ndala dep shim ki kot ubu de kana dien bat hakata ka por kala ong ba ula bat ya ka na kenriang bat ula kata iki benta ka mat jongka. Hakata ka por ba kala ya le ban pelat ya ka kti jong u ula terwa pisa ya ka san spa tengka bat ula pha ru ban wan ya kendu ya u lasngi sajan. Henrei na kalyang jongka kam tre satya ya kata ka pisa wat la ula terwa bun sin bat kala ong ba ula thep bat penbor ban shim henrei kam tre satya. Kumta ula pha ban wan ya kendu ya u hakasing sajan. Nakalyang President ka Neutrap National Youth Front East Khasi Hills ba Steve Khlem ula ong mare yo jingtep halor kani ka jingja ka seng kala mare wut sha kani ka jaka. Ula ong ru kalong ka bas ngau tenat baki Samla ki nut ban mi shakmat haba mi kum kini ki jingja Khlem Akor bar ula penrem jur ya ki weipat ki ba ju yasha ya ki Khuborjylla.
I was an intern in his chamber of Shillong Law College, and then I went for internship. I was at 3:16 p.m. He was calling me to another room. I don't know that room. I never knew about that room. He was calling me to take two court case books, and I went there with him. So I took two of them. He was grabbing me tightly, and I couldn't move. I struggled to move. Forcefully, he grabbed me, and then after that, I took that book and he released me. I took it and gave it to two of my friends. He was like, give it two of your friends those books, and then you can take another book. So I went again to took two the book, and then I don't know, unknowingly he followed me from the back, and then he grabbed me from the side, and then after that he squeezed my woman parts, and then he offered me money. And after that, when he offered me money, I was like, no sir, I don't want this money. And he kept insisting, he kept on offering that money multiple times, and he kept it on my blazer, and I was taking it out. I said, no sir, and he kept on giving me that money. And after that, I took that book. I went out from that other room, and then I kept that money inside the sofa, and I was really scared and confused. I don't know what to do. So and then after that, he left the room. No, I mean. In that time, I was telling sir I want to go home because I'm feeling sleepy. He was like, you can sleep in that room. And then after that, he left that room. The room means the chamber. And then after that, I was crying to my friend. I was telling them, let's go home because I'm so scared and confused. And then we left the room, and there was someone inside who's typing. So I was crying.
Kano kata ka pisa ka bayai pili kano?
Sanspa.
Okay. Ke habri buka kani ka kerja kana buji try.
Like 100 PM.
Kamu kata ka room ka ba? Resi ka ba kata ka chamber ba kata ka room resi ka ba phai pha simi pi ki kot ka ya dan ke jan no.
Kia jan. Kadon kaya jan dekum to. Ka basyong hang to. De kadon hadin jong ka basyong dong.
Okay.
Ka de ka kortin.
Ya ka pot pi don bat no kata ka pot dia.
Adon marway bang alit sa room. Nga simkot marway. Te ubod yang na.
Pion PDB internship. Tika pun lah kanu berai plus tang internship.
Nga sedang last week Tuesday.
Okay, kamu kani ke jingja kali ke apa? Lengkong bekerja pi ni kamu.
Lengkong bekerja nga.
Aku tak kapur kai ka le seu don ke ke bawa pen pau le bukan ni pi.
Uang ba shim kana pisa. Uang hakising Saturday. Uang ba police come on Saturday.
Batai caka. Wan ni ta.
Yang batai tarai ubud ban wan chambar jong weekend.
Okay.
Apa dia kata pisah buat pisah spa orang tua biang kata.
Terwabit ngong em terwabit.
Tahu berubah pergi kena tu larang bak deh kena kan
Larang ba.
kan senam ya.
Tare sanpo. Rupusan.
Khubor ni dia khasi ni.
Deu Asamis. Hazarika.
Hai kena kena chamba.
Kadon hakiting road.
Matai belum kan.
Ti kumno phi poi ban da internship kan ni kumno mano ba lam di
Ki parlo changa ki itu ya u te ngong bet ngal internship bat ki ong pi ko ban internship ong te ki ong bet la itu kinya cancel internship tengah wan hagas Tuesday.
Teman-teman pilak nak tu bo piwan le ayu kena sadar. Kena sadar piwan le ayu tak sadar.
Ngawan le FIR.
IFR.
Kena kali ang GP kum kawai le si ka victim ka blangat ba kam ta ka chincha ke ka ba phi kan tu ka por plate habadi ba ka habadi ba ka banta.
When it comes to this, like to all the students who go for internship, they should be careful to choose their advocate carefully, because a lot of advocate, we don't know what will happen. Like they always molest or try to rape the interns, so we should be careful. We urge the police to take a strict action against this, and then also like protect the women, so that especially for the students who go for internships, that they will not get molested like this. Ngala kom tu ngala la ngamla ra marba ulabat nga ka abortion rang ngamla ra ban ki.
Saya macam agak jing yo jing jing menasi ba ini kena kentai jungi sana samla kentai jungi bele agin internship sha moles sauta Khubborjylla beriu zarikan beriu Asamis beriu Muslim kena kali yang jungi nilai osno ngiwan be jenis po kiting road ke office ke dante ke chamba juga dah po kiting road tidak kajing shem kia jongi moi kintai khasi bopli gipsa le man kipor ki ja gini ke eru nomor ngasutanat bini kena kintai jongi khasi bi wan chakman ban ai ya kata ka complain nomor bun hi niki ki baja kumni bun hi ki bisu snap bun hi ki basngap ki ba long ki ba kimmi chakmat te tidak kajing ai men sim jongi ngi dap ka jingkeman ba ngio kumini kintai ba wan chakman nomor bun ki kintai hi bangai po pb hi buôn ki bang lai ki ada pen ban you try ki ada you try ki ong bo de boss tau boss yang ki nomor ngi la experience kini te ki jaro ki ngi sai FIR kala mangi ten rai bada mentang ingi ini ki jangi bi wan chakmat daga jing slur sim jangi wan report ngi daga mesim bo bakyang ngi wan kolo banya senran ni nilai lek nanti apa you hantar udeu senior bukit dia nak kalian jungi ya kalau ngi kentu ya kabar session tu bahkan take action bahkan suspend ya kan license ke jongu nak kalian ngejongi ke saya semua ya bat nganget bahkan nak kalian jongu police department tu bahkan take action kan mde ba menta kesengin kem kum dia nyaman rah ni lah shine lan nok kami hab nomor bun hi bagi ja kum tan ja khantam khla jaj lai benda ai ki complain ki kloi banwan Reda jangi khasi beda ka sempor bhavan you bat ke kinbo ingi hajil bat ngapej beda leja ki khlajai beda hajil kumpoi sisngi lalai long ngim sungi ha kata ban nakal yang police department rung ikin tu jor ba kan take action bahkan set union bahkan set along union breu bat ngakin tu jor nakal yang jong kabar station ru bahkan cim action strict action union khlajai bo pen do noi kalaisen ke jongu ngimdei banting ngide banyak cakmat karena kalian jongi kimil inti ba kalian jong kain kumlo kili yang mana belaki ngi nak kalian geseng te da kumlo ngi kintu bahkan kalian jong kain bahkan strict action ini Khubborjylla bolale ni nak kai jongi te pangitai
Kemudian kat kum ka jing tip jong phi ka sang ka ju kane di ka sem bani kong la ju donen ki wi pat se kim not ye ka pat
ki bang la YouTube la bun kini ki bang layo kini ki jaj belong kumni tang balong kimmi sakman te dai tang ini hi bagi mi khmat ban isngo tenat isngo dap men ba kena kan te jungi mi khmat nam chudan da ja kum kini ke kis ngap jar teng ki asung thu jung mun bat hang tu bat tu trai dakhar ang nak kalian kaseng ni pen jur union tat usno bau deu senior usno bau deu senior advocate ula ban le kat bau man ten rengi nak kalian jong kaseng ni mai la dan le ru bagen ja kum kini ja jingja haka negeri ke jai ban deu jongi dala ja kum ni habi ban mi khmat ni mai la yeno ru